You know, having gutters on the side of your house is essential because it eliminates the rainwater from seeping into your foundation and doing further damage down the road. But keeping your gutters clean can also be a little bit of a hassle. But take a look at this. This is called gutter stuff. And it stuffs inside your gutter. It's actually pretty cool. Look what it's made of. It's got this perforated material. It's at an angle here. And all you do is put this down inside your 5-inch K-style gutter, which is probably the most common size gutter. I'm going to show you how easy it is. You pop this into place, and what this basically does is it allows the water to flow through. It doesn't fill the gutter completely. It actually leaves a little bit of a channel underneath so the water can flow to the downspout, but it stops the leaves and the grit, the grime, the twigs from accumulating. It stops water from being held inside the gutter, which pulls it away from the fascia, which can also breed mosquitoes, so you're eliminating that. This is just a quick little fix for eliminating all that hard work that you're going to have to do in the fall.